Hi viewers, welcome to Excel Tutorial Hub. In this video, you will learn how to create a progress bar in Excel. So let's create the progress bars with the help of this table. So here we have a table with salesperson's name, sales targets, sales achieved. Now let's create the progress bar. To create the progress bar, we need to type here is equal to sales achieved divided by sales target and press enter. Now let's change the format cell to percentage. Click on percentage. Now let's create the progress bar. Click on conditional formatting, click on data bars and select the green data bar. Now I will drag it down so you can see that that's how we can create progress bar in Excel. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, like and share this video and subscribe Excel Tutorial Hub for more interesting videos about Excel.